Next thing.
Oh, fuck. Oh, shit.
Are you okay?
Oh, I just up my heart, my soft top. Oh, shit.
Did you just wreck?
No, I pulled into the garage with the soft top back.
Dude. Oh my god. Oh! Oh!
Good afternoon, parents. Good afternoon, boys and girls. Shut the fuck up.
Hey! Not nice.
No, thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Do you need to leave?
No, bitch.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, he's out.
There's the moon, right? And then there's that. What planet is that?
Okay, that's the moon. It's a little fuzzy out here, and it's a kind of a cruddy phone, but it's slightly overcast. But what the heck is that? That's not the sun, and according to my little planet guide, it's not a planet. What the heck is that? Any help would be appreciated. Ooh la la!
What good is a fast car, a flash house and a gold-plated dunny to me? Absolutely no good at all. I've been put on this planet to protect wildlife and wilderness areas, which in essence is going to help humanity. I want to have the purest oceans. I want to be able to drink water straight out of that creek. I want to stop the ozone layer. I want to save the world. And you know, money's great. I can't get enough money. And you know what I'm going to do with it? I'm going to buy wilderness areas with it. Every single cent I get goes straight into conservation. And guess what, Charles? I don't give a rip whose money it is, mate. I'll use it and I'll spend it on buying land.
Dude,